Ciao Tesla people, I got a notification that there is a software update and it's the 2024.2.6. So I'm doing the download right now, 3 megabits per second. I'm connected via Wi-Fi and I'm going to do the download and then the installation, and I'm going to do a time lapse, so it's going to be like 3-4 seconds for you guys. And then so the release notes, it says minor bug fixes, okay, but from the No Tesla app, let me check again. Okay, here it's downloading. Okay, good. Let me check the site. Actually, it's not this guy, it's this guy. Okay, and let me go back. Okay, so 2024.2.6, there are 3 new features and it's all related to charging, I think, battery. Yeah, so related to batteries and charging. So let's do the download, installation, and then we'll talk about the changes, and let's see if there are any options or just they come up, the changes come up with the driving and the charging. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. I'll do a time lapse of both the download and the installation, so it doesn't take too long for you guys, 2-3 seconds, and we'll be back. Okay, download is done. Let's do the software install. That's it. Installation starts. So the download and installation is done. It took like a few seconds for you. It took a half an hour for me, around half an hour. And let's check out the software. So the software is still 2024.2.6 here. Still version 11.1, and the navigation data is 2024.2. dash whatever. So in the release notes, there is not much. It says minor bug fixes, okay? But in reality, there are 3 new features, and they're all related to battery and charging, okay? So the first change is called time until charging starts. So basically, you see 2 icons: the charging and then the heat icon. It's like this. Excuse me. And it says when you arrive and plugged in, if your vehicle battery has not warmed up enough, oops, enough, you'll now see how long it will be until DC fast charging starts. That's interesting. So you get more information. The second change is estimated battery range update. This is really good because your estimated battery range now incorporates additional characteristics related to battery aging over time. So the percentage, actually the kilometers or miles and percentage will reflect not only the charging that you have on your battery, but also will keep in mind it's going to be related to how old is your battery, how much you're using, which is really good. And the third change is related to charging, supercharging in cold weather. So when you charge in cold weather, if the battery is too cold, there's going to be a icon, like a snowflake, blue snowflake icon on the battery icon, and it says this pretty long explanation. Let's see. If you're heading to a charger in cold conditions, use the vehicle navigation to route there. In addition to preparing the battery, this automatically will start warming the charge port inlet. Oh, okay, so it's going to charge the port too, not only the battery. Other tips about charging in cold weather, whatever, when you plug in, clear any ice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So it's going to charge even the port, the charging port. Nice. So the people like living in really cold weathers and locations, this is going to be a cool update. Anyway, so these are the three major updates. They are not in the release notes, but they're on the site, which is pretty cool. Anyway, I'm done with this. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, um, put a like, and also check out the link in the description. I have my Tesla referral, so if you use it and you buy a Tesla, you get up to 3 months of free FSD. Also, if you test drive a Tesla, you can use the referral. And also, I have the links about all the accessories that I installed, and that's it. So I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.